For me, kapos lang kami ng tao. And kaya naman labanan si Creamline, but ayun nga, meron silang option eh. If hindi effective yung isang spiker nila, merong papalit for them. Kami, kulang pa kami ng tao. But we're happy, not really happy, but I'm proud of what my teammates showed naman inside the court. Yun nga lang. Against the veteran team na sabi nila, matagal na nga sila sa taas, no? Challengers lang kami. So, ayun. Marami naman kaming natutunan sa game na yon, but sabi ng coaches namin, back to the drawing board muna kami and ayun, prepare for Saturday's game.
Hindi after ng game, paano nyo in-uplift yung moral ng isa't isa? Kasi syempre hindi rin madali na pagtatalo, gano'n.
Sabi naman ng coaches namin, damdamin muna namin yung like the loss and everything, feel it first, but then